Now let's find the derivative of y equals the square root of 3x to the 5 minus 8. And to get started, we need to find the inside function. And in this case, I will make this the inside function, which I shall call u. U is then 3x to the 5 minus 8. Great. And I shall rewrite the main function as y equals the square root of u. Now, this is equivalent to u to the power of half, right? So when we have the square root, that's the equivalent of having the exponent of half. Great. So now to use the chain rule, we're going to need to determine dy du. That is the derivative of this function right here. So dy over du will be, now I need to bring down the exponent, right? So half times u to the power of, now I need to subtract 1 from the half, and I get negative half. So half times u to the power of negative half is dy du. And, well, now a little bit careful with this. What does this correspond to? I can rewrite this. Well, that corresponds to 1 over u to the half, which is the same thing as 1 over the square root of u. So I can just rewrite this whole thing. 1 times 1 is 1 over 2 times the square root of u. So that's dy over du. Now, of course, we also want du dx. Du over dx will be equal to, now we need to take the derivative of this, 3x to the 5 minus 8. And how do we do that? I can bring down the 5 multiplied by the 3, so I get 15x to the power of 4, because we need to subtract 1 from the exponent. And the derivative of the constant is just 0, so I don't need to add anything. Great. Great. Now we have both elements that we needed to find dy dx. Why is that? Because now we have dy du, which is this. So I have 1 over 2 times the square root of u, and multiply by du over dx, which is 15x to the power of 4. Now I'll multiply them. So 1 times 15x to the 4 is just 15x to the 4. All over 2 times the square root of u. Now, I don't want to see a u in the final answer. I want it in terms of x. So let me take that, the 3x to the 5 minus 8, and plug it in where we had the u. And that's it. So dy over dx is equal to this, 15x to the 4 over 2 times the square root of 3x to the 5 minus 8.